Hello children, today in Mathematics for Standard 4, we are going to learn a new topic, addition. What is addition? Addition means putting together two or more groups or set of things. Add-ins are the numbers to be added. Sum is also known as total of the addition. Now we shall understand this with the help of an example. 176 plus 82. These numbers are known as the add-ins. Is equal to, when we add these two numbers, we get the answer 258. That is known as the sum. Now let us revise and do some revision. Solve the following sums. 342 plus 123. So we'll arrange them in its proper order. Hundreds, tens and units. We start from the units place. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Tens place. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Hundreds place. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So our answer is 465. We'll see one more example. 294 plus 105. Again we start from the units place. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Tens place. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Hundreds place. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So final answer is 399. Addition without carry over of 4-digit numbers in the vertical arrangement. 4301 plus 3290. Again we start from the units place. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Tens place. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. Hundreds place. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And thousands place. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So our answer is 7591. We'll see one more example. 2431 plus 3210. We start from the units place. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Tens place. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Hundreds place. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Thousands place. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So our answer is 5641. Addition without carry over of 5-digit numbers in the vertical arrangement. 25,310 plus 12,365 is equal to how much? So again we start from the units place. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Tens place. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Hundreds place. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Thousands place. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And one more column we have because it is a 5-digit number. 10,000. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So our final answer is 37,675. Addition with carrying over in the vertical arrangement. We shall learn about that. For example, we are given a sum where Tanvi has 637 beads and Sanvi has 574 beads. How many beads do the two girls have all together? So we have to do the addition. So we'll arrange them in the vertical arrangement. 637 plus 574. We start from the units place. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So we write 1 in the units place and 1 will be carry over in the tens place. 7 plus 3 in the tens place is 10 and 1 is carry over, so it will become 11. So that 1 will be carried over in the hundreds place. So 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1 will give us 12. So we write 2 in the hundreds place and 1 will be carried over in the thousands place. But since there is no number in the thousands place, so that carryover 1 will come down and our final answer will be 1211 beads. Now we shall add 6785 plus 7453. Again we start from the units place. We'll arrange them first in the vertical arrangement. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Tens place. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So 3 we write in the tens place and 1 will be carried over in the hundreds place. In the hundreds place, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 plus 1 carry over is there. So it is 12. So we write 2 in the hundreds place and 1 will be carried over in the thousands place. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 plus we have 1 carry over. So 13 plus 1 will give us 14. In the 10,000s place there is no number, only the carryover 1 is there, so that 1 will automatically come down. So final answer will be 14,238. Addition without carryover 5-digit numbers in the horizontal arrangement. Now we learned about vertical arrangement. Now we shall solve the sums in horizontal arrangement. 14,238 plus 10,511. So first we'll write in its proper places both the set of numbers, and then we start adding from the units place. So with the help of arrows, you will understand it in a better way. So we start from the units place. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Tens place, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Hundreds place, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Thousands place, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 10,000s place, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So when we add 14,238 plus 10,511, we get the answer 24,749. We'll see one more example of horizontal arrangement. 27,005 plus 1,238. Again we place these numbers in the proper place value. Then we start adding from the units place. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. So 1 will be carried over in the tens place. 0 plus 3 is 3 plus 1 is carry over, so we get the answer 4. Hundreds place, 0 plus 2 is 2. Thousands place, 7 plus 1 is 8. 10,000s place, only 2 is there, so it is assumed as 2 plus 0 is 2. So when we add 27,005 plus 1,238, we get the answer 28,243. I hope so you have understood the lesson and enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.